Hello friends, welcome to our Lean Six Sigma Green Belt course. In this lecture, we will understand the milestones of the Six Sigma journey, and also understand the organizational benefits. So, stay tuned and enjoy this amazing lecture. Let's see the milestones in Six Sigma. In 1986, Michael Harry and Bill Smith started the Six Sigma initiative at Motorola. In 1995, Jack Welch initiated Six Sigma at GE, General Electric, to improve the entire business system. In 1998, Allied Signals saved $0.5 billion by using Six Sigma. In 2000, GE saved $2 billion by using Six Sigma. In 2001, Motorola saved almost $16 billion using Six Sigma. Over a period of time, the organizations that deployed Six Sigma was benefited in a variety of ways. Few of them are: process standardization, customer satisfaction, reduction in process variations, gaining competitive advantage, reduces work by getting it right the first time, eliminating the root cause of problems and defects in a process. That's all for now. Thank you for watching this lecture. Please like this video, and also, subscribe to our channel to receive regular updates about the videos which we post. Stay healthy and take care of your family members. Happy learning!